Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a furniture revamp, should I call it that, or furniture makeover? Yeah, something like it. But I do have an old chest of drawers that needs a fresh coat of paint, and yeah, if you want to see the process and how I'm doing all of that, please go ahead and keep on watching.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like.
So this is a preview of what I'm working with. It looks really bad, so it does really need a new fresh coat of paint. Now I did take all the metal bars out of there because the previous job I did on this one, it's not good, let's just say that. And yeah, so I can't wait to see the final result, how it looks with all the paint. Now here we have the drawers as well, which they don't look very good either. So first I'm going to give this one a really good cleanup with a clean rag and some spray cleaner, and then we'll let it dry for a couple of minutes and then we'll start with the painting.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
So this is the paint I am using today. It's the Dulux non-drip gloss in pure brilliant white. So it is for wood and metal inside and outside, and it also says resist drips and runs, long-lasting protection.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN.
So I did put one coat of paint on the dresser, and now I have to leave that to dry, and I'm going to do the drawers next. So yeah, the coat, I think I'll do another coat on the dresser just because I want it to be really opaque in color and just have a nice finish. But yeah, I'm gonna move on to the drawers now, and yeah.
Butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
So I finished painting the drawers as well, and now I do need to leave them to dry as well. I'm not sure how long it will take till they are dry so I can apply another coat. On the paint it says 16 hours, but I don't know. I'll try later and see if I can apply another coat, and yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. They already look really nice. They are shiny, they are pretty opaque in color, but I think another coat will do the trick and they will look really good. So yeah, I'll be back later and see if they are dry enough so I can apply another coat. Now 10,000 hours later, I managed to give this dresser a second coat of paint, and it does look really good right now. It's not perfect, but that's okay. And yeah, now I have to leave it till tomorrow to dry, because I just read on the paint box or whatever it's called that you have to allow it 16 hours to completely dry. So that's a shitload of time. But yeah, and tomorrow I'll go back and put it back together and film the end result and how it all looks. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with how everything came out. I hope it will look as good as it looks now when it's dried up. But yeah, I'll come back later. Well, for you it will be instantly, but for me it's tomorrow when I'll put it back together and see the end result. See you then.
Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM.
So this is the final result. I do think it came out pretty nicely. It's all nice and glossy. I kept the knobs that it had. I did spray painted them gold the last time I painted the dresser, so they still look good. But yeah, I think it came out really nicely and I really enjoy how it looks. I'll also take another shot with the dresser when I have it put back in the room and everything on it. So this is the final shot of the dresser. Now I've put it back in its place and it looks really nice. I am really proud of how it came out. So yeah, it looks all nice and shiny and almost like new. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you took some inspiration from my furniture makeover. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!